Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Evm Machining, and I am going to share some information about Electron Beam Machining. So, Electron Beam Machining is a material removal process. Here, the material is removed from our piece by focusing a high beam of electrons with a high velocity. The source of energy in Electron Beam Machining is high velocity electrons. High voltage DC power supply is used to generate electrons with a high energy in this process. It is a non-traditional machining process for material removal. EBM is carried out in a vacuum chamber for removing unnecessary scattering of electrons and for making the process more efficient. The process is best suited for micro cutting of metals. This is the general setup of electron beam machining. Here the workpiece is mounted over a work table and it is covered with a vacuum chamber. A high vacuum is generated by a vacuum pump, and the magnetic lenses are also attached. So optical weaving system is used for general inspection. So this is the working principle of EBM. EBM works on the principle when a high beam of electrons strikes a workpiece, the kinetic energy is converted to a heat energy, and this concentrated heat energy is used to raise the temperature of a workpiece at which the electron beam strikes, and that a part of a workpiece are vaporized and removed from the workpiece. In this way, the material is removed from EBM process. So here are the parts of the EBM machining, EBM process. Electron gun. It is the main part of EBM process. It generates the beam of electron which is further used to remove the material from workpiece. This electron gun contains a tungsten or a tantalum filament which acts as a cathode. The next part is the bias grid. It is used to control the flow of electrons which is generated by electron gun. So the next part is the anode. It is generally used to accelerate the high velocity electrons. And next part is the magnetic lens. This magnetic lens is made up of a magnet. The main function is same as that of optical lens, that is to concentrate the beam of electrons. So next part is aperture. This aperture is similar to the aperture of the camera, and the purpose is little different from that. This aperture is used to capture the stray electrons, so that only focused and concentrated beam of electrons passes through the aperture. And next part is the electromagnetic lens. The electromagnetic lens is used to focus the electron beam on the workpiece. And next part is the diffusion pump. The diffusion pump is used for maintaining the vacuum within the electron beam chamber. The level of vacuum in this chamber is from 10 power 4 to 10 power minus 4 to 10 power minus 6 star. Next part is a deflector coil. It is used to deflect the electron beam by a small amount in case a proper hole is not being created by electron beam. The next part is optical weaving system. Optical weaving system is used by the operator to check whether the process is under correct or not. This optical weaving system consists of a telescope and a illuminating system. Next part is a slotted disc. It is used to remove the vapor and fumes created while machining the workpiece using EBM, and the fumes do not obstruct the optical windows. It is synchronized with the electron beam. And finally, the applications of EBM. EBM process is used to remove small broken taps and holes. It is also used for making the gas orifice in space nuclear reactors. It is used for making turbine blades for supersonic aero engines. It is also used to manufacture field emission cathodes, integrated circuits, and computer memories. And it is also used for making drawing dies and flow orifices. It is also used for frilling synthetic jewels in the watch industry. Let's see some of the videos of electron beam machining.